The OP Jindal Group, one of India's biggest business houses, has developed into a $22 billion worldwide business combination with interests traversing the steel, mining, power, modern gases and ports vehicles. The group was established by Shri O.P. Jindal, an extravagant business person and steel visionary who began an indigenous single-unit steel plant in Hisar, Haryana in 1952. It is currently one of India's most powerful business associations. Slowly and steadily, the group has developed bases across India, the US, the UK and Indonesia, mining concessions in Chile, Indonesia and Mozambique, and showcasing delegate workplaces over the globe. Family business model. The O.P. Jindal Group is headed by Srimati Savitri Jindal. The group's strength lies in the dynamic and rigorous approach of its leaders, the four sons of Shri O.P. Jindal. The four brothers are today taking forward the rich legacy of their father. Mr. Prithviraj Jindal is the chairman, non-executive of Jindal SAW Limited, of Jindal SAW Limited. Mr. Sajjan Jindal is the chairman of JSW Group. Mr. Ratan Jindal is the vice chairman and managing director of Jindal Stainless Limited. Mr. Naveen Jindal is the chairman of Jindal Steel and Power Limited. Major company segments. Reinforcing their global strength in the steel industry, the Jindal Group has also holdings in architecture, cement, infrastructure and logistics, minerals, finance, energy and mining. Additional steel and power plants are expected to soon open in West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Through the vertical integration method of growth, the group's ability to foster sustainable development will increase and serve as a competitive advantage worth emulating by other companies. The biggest names under the group are Jindal SAW Limited. The company is a leading global manufacturer and supplier of iron and steel pipe products and accessories, with manufacturing facilities located at 3 places in India, such as Kosi Kalan in UP, Nasik in Maharashtra, and Mundra in Gujarat. It also has operations in USA, Europe, and UAE. That is MENA. Its products have application in oil and gas exploration, transportation, power generation, supply of water for drinking, drainage, irrigation purposes, and other industrial applications. The company's segments include iron and steel products and ocean waterways. It manufactures submerged arc-welded, that is SAW pipes, and spiral pipes for the energy, transportation sector, carbon, alloy, and seamless pipes and tubes for industrial applications, and ductile iron, that is DI pipes, and fittings for water and wastewater transportation. Next is JSW Group. Ranked among India's top business houses, JSW's innovative and sustainable ideas cater to the core sectors of steel, energy, cement, and infrastructure. The group continues to strive for excellence with its strength, differentiated product mix, state-of-the-art technology, excellence in execution, and focus on sustainability. From its humble beginnings in steel, the JSW Group has expanded its presence across India, South America, South Africa, and Europe. Through its CSR projects, it also continues to participate in and initiate activities that assist in improving those areas of our country that lack resources. Next is Jindal Stainless Limited. Jindal Stainless Limited is one of the largest manufacturers of stainless steel in India, with a capacity of 1.1 million tons per annum. A leader and a name synonymous with enterprise, excellence, and success, the company's ethos mirrors most characteristics similar to the metal it produces. Akin to stainless steel, Jindal Stainless Limited is innovative and versatile in its thought process, strong and unrelenting in its operations. Next is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. Jindal Steel and Power Limited is an India-based steel producer. The company's segments include iron and steel, power and other. The other segment consists of aviation services and machinery division. The company's product portfolio consists of steel product mix, construction solutions, and construction material and solutions. Its steel product mix category includes rails and head-hardened rails, parallel flange beams and columns, angles and channels, plates, coils, and wire rods. Its construction solutions category includes fabricated steel section, speed floor, light gauge structures, insulated drywall panel and Jindal Global Root Stabilizers, that is JGRS. It has an installed steel making capacity of over 6.75 million tons per annum, that is MTPA, an installed power generation capacity of approximately 5060 megawatts and pellet making capacity of over 9 MTPA. Conclusion: growth has been a lifestyle for the OP Jindal Group, and growth with a social heart has been the controlling way of thinking. The group puts high duty on manageable advancement of its skin and the networks in which it works. The innovation-driven group employs more than 50,000 individuals over the globe. Shri OP Jindal throughout the long term assembled a notoriety of uprightness and dynamism, and his 4 children are today proceeding with its rich inheritance. Presently headed by Srimati Savitri Devi Jindal, the gathering is as yet extending, coordinating, amalgamating and developing across paths far and wide. Thank you for watching. स्टॉक एच करो, स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर बनो।